Day 105 of my journey, 0 to a million. So, guys, sorry that you didn't hear anything from me for the last 2 weeks, but I was so busy, guys. I was so busy working on so much things that I hadn't the time to upload. Not that I didn't had the time to upload, but that I didn't had the time to to think about YouTube and think about like a great video to let you see, guys, about the journey. So I didn't had a lot of time the last 2 weeks, and today is already 105, guys. It's been a long journey, guys, and we still didn't didn't complete all the goals, but still working on it. We ain't gonna give up, as you know, guys. Zemula never gives up because God is always with us. So, guys, today let's talk about the previous days, and after this, after that, I'm done with talking about trading. I'm gonna announce something that I've been working on the last 2 weeks. Too busy working on with the whole team, guys, and now I can tell you guys what I've been working on, So trading for the last 2 weeks wasn't that great, to be honest. I was up, I was down, I was up, I was down, and basically this week wasn't a great week. In the beginning of the week, I did only trade two days, and today was the third day that I did trade it. So these 2 days I had like really bad days, so I didn't took great opportunities. I had two losses, and the market was so shit. It was on like a sideways price action, and it was like a lot of chop price action and news. So I did getting and it did almost eat all my profits. So today, when I did start the day, it was my bank balance on Apex was 50k 500 USD. As you know, that like I made like maybe I did lose in the beginning of the week, maybe like 1k or something like that. So it was like my account really went down, because of the chop price action. But I did know there is a day that will come that price gonna go crazy, and I was like, I was whole time waiting on this day. That's why like I did also trade these 2 days, because I was thinking maybe it was the day that price gonna go crazy or something like that, but guys, I was patient, and I was like waiting on the right moment, and I didn't trade yesterday, and today was the day, guys. I hoped on the market, and I saw the market was crazy. I saw the market was crazy, and I did know today there will be a lot of opportunities, and today I'm gonna make some money, because I saw how beautiful the market was on the higher time frame. So, guys, I'm not gonna talk a lot of about that. I'm gonna let you see straight. So my bank balance on the Apex account was 50k $500, because I did took a loss on it, like 2 or 3 losses on it. But see now, 51k 400 so 51k 478, what means I made on Apex, guys, how much I made, like almost 1k. I made 1k because my bank balance was like, it wasn't perfect at 500, but it was a little bit below it, like it was 500, like 490 or something like that, or 480 or something like that. But guys, so I made 1k today on Apex, what's like really really beautiful. I had the trade that went crazy, but I didn't took it all. So this was like the trade that, like, where I made the 1k on. Let's see, guys, this trade like it did earn over 61, or I entered here, I did enter here, it's fucking crazy. It's crazy, I did entered here, and you see it, I did enter here, and it went crazy in 2 hours or something like that. It went to one to how much, 1 to 50 almost, and then now it went up to 1 to 63. But I didn't close it on 1 to 60. I didn't close it on 63, I did only close it, like, I think on 3 or 4 hour, I think, profit. So that was like really great. That's how I did made like 1K on this account. It was like the biggest trading day, so it was the biggest win of the day, and the biggest win on this account in one day, you know. Wait 1 second. And guys, it isn't only about Apex. I also did trade on Top Step, and today was really a great day. I'm gonna let you see directly. We were down first. We are like minus I don't know, like no. Yesterday I was like up $100 or something like that, because like 2 weeks ago I was minus $1,000, and now just in 1 week and a half, I think I made over $1,600 on it. So I'm back up. um, I'm gonna let you see. Here you can see the statistics, you know. I'm gonna let you see of the day. So here you see 14th, like it's January, February, March, yeah, it's March, 16 March 2026. And here you see I made $500 on it today. I took 4 trades. All the 4 trades were all wins, and yeah, guys, you know, you see here profitable. Like the day win is 100%. All the trades were just like wins, you know. It was a really great day. So I ended the day with 1.5K in the profit. So I made today 1.5K. So that's just like, that's really beautiful to see. And the thing that I would wait 1 second. I want to zoom out a little bit. So trading was really great today, and the thing that I wanted to announce today is basically that I started my new, like with my team, my new how do you say it, like like platform on Moop. So now I have a whole video educational videos for you guys in English, and I've been working crazy on these videos in English. So that's why it took me so long, and I'm not done, but there is a lot of things that I need to fix. But for the moment, it's ready, you know, it's ready. So I can now let you see, guys, and you can find the link in the bio. So if you want to learn how to trade, and if you don't have anyone who is ready to guide you, I'm ready to guide you. If you want to invest in yourself, there will be also a lot of free content, so don't worry. So for the people who don't want to invest in themselves, there will be a lot of free videos, free content. So I wanted just to announce that, and to let you know I'm back, boys. I'm fucking back. I will be consistent with YouTube. You will see a lot of videos from me. Thank you for watching. It was your boy SD Mula. I know this video wasn't like you're thinking, but just know I have a really great video that's coming for you maybe in 1 day or 2 days. So stay tuned and see you. Ciao, ciao.